how to add section or heading before table of contents into table of contents. So if you want to add the section or heading before table of contents, then what you need to do is, as you can see that I have the section or heading before the table of contents, right? So what you need to do is, for example, I'll just remove this acknowledgement. So you can simply go with acknowledgements, and here, let me remove this. I'll just make it as a normal line or a normal paragraph. And once you've done that, now if you scroll down, then you can see you can go with update table. And once you've updated, you can see that I don't have the option which I have just removed, which is the acknowledgements. I don't have the acknowledgements option. And if you go with the declaration, and if you again do the same thing with the declaration and the executive summary, and if you update the table of contents, then you can see that I don't have anything before the table of contents. You will have this kind of interface, right, on your PC or on your laptop, on your Word. So in order to add the section or heading before the table of contents, what you need to do is simply go with the heading that you would like to add and go as heading 1. Once you've added, now you need to go with the next one and add the same thing as heading 1 again. And again, go with your executive summary and add that as your heading. Once you've added, you don't need to do anything. Just go with the table of contents and click on update table. And you need to go with update entire table and then go with OK. And here, as you can see, that I have the acknowledgements, declaration, and the executive summary above the table of content. So that's how you can add the section or heading before the table of contents. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.